everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. So I'm here with another exciting video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 4 liquid blushes that I just really love. And I think blush is something जो सबसे पहले wear off होता है from your makeup, especially the liquid ones. So it's very important that you find a blush that stays for a longer period of time and that fresh look that you expect from it and adds to your glow as well. I'm gonna be starting with the first one, which is from e.l.f. It's in the shade. People usually call it a rare beauty dupe, which somewhat I don't agree to, because I think ये blush अपने आप में ही इतना अच्छा है कि you don't need to compare it with anyone. So I'm gonna show you how it looks when you apply. Let's blend it out. So you can either blend it with your finger, with a beauty blender, or with a makeup brush. Brush से better application होती है I think. ज़्यादा blush ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है तो आपकी जो पिगमेंटेशन है वो इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं आती है. आई थिंक इट्स मोर बेटर विद योर फिंगर्स और विद अ ब्रश. सो या दिस इज़ द शेड एंड आई थिंक इट लुक्स रियली प्रिटी. ये आपका प्रॉपर सनलाइट में ऐसा लगेगा. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग एनी आर्टिफिशियल लाइट. इसका स्टे इज़ एक्चुअली रियली गुड as compared to other liquid blushes that I have used. I just love this and I'm gonna rate it like 8.5 out of 10. Right, moving on to the next one. So we are moving up the ladder a little bit. The next one is from Rare Beauty. Now ये मैंने अपनी बहुत सारी वीडियोस में यूज़ करा और बहुत सारी वीडियोस में लगाया है. अगर आपने मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस देखी हैं तो यू वुड नो दिस. इतनी सी बॉटल वुड लास्ट यू लाइक more than 2 years. Let me apply and show it to you how it looks. I'm just gonna take it a little bit. So Rare Beauty blushes are famous for their pigmentation, but again I have noticed कि अगर आप इसको beauty blender से लगाओगे तो इसकी pigmentation won't be that good. Way better with a makeup brush. See, I think मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ही apply कर दिया है. I have blush blindness, like a lot of girls out there, I'm sure. It's such a pretty shade. Just love it. Again, iska stay is pretty good, but when I say कि इनकी stay is good, it means कि बिना powder blush के भी they're gonna stay for really long time. I'm gonna give this blush 9.5 out of 10. Like next, all right, moving on to the next one. Now I don't know कि ये blush की category में fall करता है कि नहीं करता, but I definitely use it as a blush. I'm talking about the very famous Benefit tint. So the Benefit tint. और ये ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो चुका है. आई डोंट इवन नो, मैंने उठा तो लिया बट मुझे पता भी नहीं कि ये मैं लगा भी पाऊँगी कि नहीं, बिकॉज it's 99% over, but still I'm gonna try. Oh yes, we still have some tint left. I think it's gonna do the job. So मैं usually भी इतनी ही quantity में लगाती हूँ because I just want a very fresh look with this, which it does give me really well. You can always add on more. आपको जितना ज़्यादा tint चाहिए आप उतना ज़्यादा लगा लो. But for me, I think this is the right quantity. Let me just apply this on the other side as well. Since इसमें product है and it's almost over, I'm sure मैं इसको दोबारा तो use नहीं कर पाऊँगी. So yeah, it gives you that fresh look without a lot of color. If you don't like a lot of color on your face, I think this is one of the products that you can definitely buy. So yeah, this is the third one and I'm gonna give it 9.5 out of 10. Alright, time for the last blush of the day. So this is the again this is the most expensive one that I have. This is from Dior. This is the Forever Glow Maximizer. So this has highlighter plus the blush, and once you apply this, आपको इसके ऊपर से highlighter अलग से लगाने की ज़रूरत बिल्कुल भी नहीं है because this one actually gives you the glow that you need for a party or just for yourself. So this is how I apply this. Again, it is quite pigmented, so you want to watch how much you apply. My rule is always ki apply less at first. You can always add more. Just getting rid of excess can get difficult sometimes. So yeah, this is the shade. This is how it looks, and it gives you all the glow that you need. I'm gonna give this again a 9.5 out of 10, just deducting the half one for the price. It's really expensive, but on the good side, if you see ki bottle is quite big and you don't need a lot of product at for one time. So this is again gonna last really long, so you don't have to worry that jaldi khatam ho jayega, aapne itna expensive liya hai. Alright, thank you all for watching the video. I know this was a quick one, but I really wanted to come here and show my favorite top 4 liquid blushes. I am planning to do a lot of such videos sharing my top 3 or top 4 different makeup products, and I hope you'll enjoy watching this series, and let me know if you want me to test anything specific for you guys. I would just love to do that. But for now, thank you so much again for watching my video. Subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet, and keep looking forward for my next videos.